So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing dictionary app, and we will be using Next.js 13 and many different Next.js 13 libraries to build this amazing dictionary app here. So now I'll be giving you the demo of this dictionary app and showing you how it is looking and what the things included in this amazing dictionary app which we are building here. So now here we are just getting this English dictionary written at the center. At the back we are getting a beautiful background effect which is looking awesome. You can see the background color. Then at the front we are getting a front box of white color in which we are getting the title, or you can say the heading of English dictionary, in which we are getting one input. You can say the input box, or you can say search box, in which we are getting the hover effect of search a word, and it is saying that we are just getting the you can say border of bluish color, and the search box also of bluish color. Then down we are getting type any existing word and press enter to get meaning. So it is telling the like things, or you can say telling the commands how to use this dictionary app, and how to write your meanings, and how to get meanings of that meanings which you are writing here in this box. So here you can write any of the word to get the meaning of that. If I write the word of like programming, so you will be getting the meaning of programming. If I just show you, press enter, you can see now it is just having the meaning of programming. It is saying that to enter a program or other instruction to into a computer or other electronic device to instruct it to do a particular task. So it is meanings so its meaning is that is saying that programming is a thing here. It is an electronic device to do a particular task, and we are also getting the noise icon. If I press, so you will be getting the noise of the person which is saying this. Now here we will be getting the noise in computer. If I write computer, press enter, you will be getting the meaning example of that. And if I press this, you will be getting a loud now noise
computer,
like computer. You can see, you can just share
computer,
this. So like this you will be getting the noise when you will be just uh, if you want to just see the pronunciation of the word, so you can press this, and you will be
computer,
getting the pronunciation of the word which you have written here, and meaning also down here. You can see the meaning, it's written, and then we are getting the meaning here. You can also see the example, but it is undefined because it is not having any of the example. Erase this, and you can write any other word also. Like if I show you, so if I just search here this word, you will be getting laptop. You can also see the meaning of laptop, and you can also see the example which is undefined. So like this is the amazing English dictionary app which we are building with the pronunciation word. So we are using Next.js 13 and many different libraries, means many new libraries, to build this amazing English dictionary app. And I hope you'll be enjoying this video, and if you enjoy, understand this, so hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video so more people can learn, and they can also take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking, and you are learning these things. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing English dictionary app uh, using this amazing Next.js language with many different libraries. Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like previously on, we have built amazing live news app, and I hope you enjoyed that video. We have used Next.js 13 and some of the other server side languages to build that app. So today also we are building an amazing app. Today I'll be telling you how to build an amazing dictionary app, and we will be using Next.js 13 to build this dictionary app, and we will be also using some of the server side languages in this video. So remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to build this amazing dictionary app using Next.js 13, and this video will be really helpful. So remember to see it from start to end. If you enjoy this video, hit a like, subscribe, and also share this video. So we'll be starting with our project and seeing how to build this amazing dictionary app using Next.js 13. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing dictionary app, and we will be using Next.js 13 to build this amazing dictionary app. So now we'll be starting with our dictionary app and seeing how to build it using Next.js 13. So for building this, here I will be opening my VS Code text editor. Now when you've opened here, I will be full screening this, closing all these files, and directly I will be opening my folder which is created on the desktop with the name of dictionary app in Next.js. Now here I will be moving to my file in the main file. Then here you have to erase all the main codes which we are getting, because here we will be not needing these all things. Then here we are just getting the title. I will be writing in Next.js 13. Just you have to save this, then move in this file, then you have to move here and erase all the stuff from here. Then I will be zooming in so you can just see all the things here. Then simply move over here, and then from here also I will be erasing all this stuff. So down here I will be moving, and after moving here I will be erasing all this stuff. Only the font family should be here. Now I will be pressing Ctrl B, and I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser which is available on my desktop. You can see here it is, and when you've opened, you have to do it side by side. Coding side should be at the left, and like you all know that at the right we are getting our interface side. So here I'll be doing it like this. Now when you've written all this stuff here, you have to move down. Right here div class wrapper like this. Then you have to just move down again. Right here header, then right here English dictionary like this thing. Now when you've written this thing, just you have to move down, right here div class search here. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, right here input type text, right here placeholder is equals to search a word like this thing. Now you have to give a space, right here required spell check like this, which should be false. Now when you've written this, I will be writing here I tag class, which should be FAS FA search. Now you have to move forward, then move down, right here spend tag, right here class material icons, then here I will be writing close. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, right here p tag class info, then here I will be writing info text, then here I will be writing type any existing word and press enter to get. Then here I will be moving down after this tag, then here I will be writing meaning comma example. So here we will be doing it through Next.js and I'll be telling you how to do. Then I'll be writing synonymous comma etc. Now you have to take this p tag at the top, save till here and then reload. So we are getting all this stuff like this. Now when you are getting here, I will be writing li class word, then you have to just write div class, then I will be writing here details. Now you have to move down, right here p tag 2 underscores, right here span, then give a space and write like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing I tag class FAS FA dash envelope. Then when you've written this, or you can say here volume, then here I will be writing up. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing div class, here I will be writing content, then I will be writing here li, and here I will be writing class meaning. Then you have to write div class, then I will be writing here details, then I will be writing p tag, right here meaning. Then when you've written all this stuff, here I will be just moving down after this p tag, right here span tag 2 underscores, then simply here I will be writing li class example like this, then here I will be writing div class details. So here I will be now writing this, then erase this, move down, and here you have to write p tag, right here example, right here span tag underscore 2 times, then here you have to write li class, then I'll be writing here synonymous, then you have to write here div class, and then here you have to write details like this. Then I will be just writing here p tag, right here synonymous. Then when you've written this, here I will be just moving down after this div tag, right here div class list, and it's just here I will be moving down after the div tag, right here script, then I will be writing src, right here script.js, save, then reload, and you can see we are getting all this stuff. So here we will be moving to this file now. So you can see here I am on second file. After just moving on this file, here I will be writing a tag which should be like margin 0. So here I will be writing margin 0, right here a tag which should be like padding 0, then write box sizing border box. Here when you've written this, right here font family Poppins, then here I will be writing sans serif. Now you have to just move down, right here body, then I'll be writing here display flex, right here align items in center, then right here justify content in center. Here you have to write min height, and in min height I will be writing 100 vh, then I will be just writing here background. In background you have to write 4D 59FB, then you have to just write here selection, and after writing this, here I will be writing white and right here background, and in background you have to write 4D F9 59FB. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, right here wrapper, right width 420 pixel, then right here border radius, then right here 7 pixel, right here background white, then I will be writing here padding which should be 25 pixel, 28 pixel, 45 pixel, right here box shadow which should be 7 pixel, 7 pixel, 20 pixel RGBA. Then here you have to write 000.05. Then when you've written this, here I will be just moving down after this tag, right here wrapper header, right here font size which should be 28 pixel, right here font weight 500, then right here text align center. Save this, then reload. So you can see we are getting it styled here. Now when you are just getting this, here I'll be writing wrapper dot search, then I'll be writing here position relative, right here margin 35 pixel, 0 18 pixel. Here you have to write search input then I will be writing here height 53 pixel, then right here width which should be 100%. Here you have to write outline none, then right here font size 16 pixel. Here you have to write border radius now which should be 5 pixels. So here I will be moving and writing this. Right here padding 0.42 pixel, then right here border 1 pix solid, and right here 999 like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing search, right here input, then I will be writing here focus. Here you have to write padding 0.41 pixel, right here border which should be 2 pixel solid, right here 4D F9 FB. Then you have to just move down, and after moving down here I will be writing dot search input, then right here place folder like this, right here color, then I will be just writing here B8, then move down, right here search where, then right here I comma span tag, then you have to write here position absolute. Now when you've written this, I'll be writing here top 50%, then right here color, then right here 999. Here you have to write transform, then right here translate Y. So here I will be moving right here, then when you've written this translate Y, here I will be now just moving forward, right here minus 50%. Here you have to write search I tag, then here I will be writing left 18 pixel, right here pointer events which should be none, right here font size which should be 16 pixel like this. Then here you have to write search input, then here I will be writing focus, here I will be writing I tag, right color which should be 4D 59 FB. Then you have to write here search span tag, right here right which should be 15 pixel, right here cursor pointer, right font size 16 pixel like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing display which should be none. Here you have to move down, and then after moving down here I will be just writing a tag which should be like search input, then I'll be writing here valid, and then right here span tag, and then right here block like this. And here you have to write wrapper dot info text, then here I will be writing font size which should be 13 pixel, and then right here color which should be 9A. Then here I will be writing margin minus 3 pixel, 0 minus 10 pixel. Here you have to write wrapper dot active, right here info text, then right here display none. Here I will be writing info text, then right here span tag, right here font weight which should be like 500. Here you have to save, reload. Now you can see we are getting it style. Then you have to just write here wrapper UL, then here I will be just now writing a tag which should be like height, and in height I will be writing 0, right here opacity 0. Then you have to write here padding right which should be 1 pixel, right here overflow, then I will be writing here Y hidden, then right here transition like this, all 0.2s keys. Then right here wrapper dot active, right UL, and here I will be writing opacity 1. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing height which should be 303 pixel. Here I will be writing wrapper ULLI. Then here you have to move down, right here display flex, right here list style which should be none. Then I will be writing here margin bottom which should be 14 pixel, right here align item center. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing padding bottom which should be 17 pixel, right here border bottom which should be 1 pix solid, right here D9. Then move down, right here justify content which should be center. Now here I will be just now moving here, and then right here space between, then you have to write ULLI, right here last child. Then here I will be just now erasing this, right here margin bottom. So here I will be writing margin bottom 0, right here border bottom which should be 0 like this. Then right here padding bottom, and then here you have to write 0. Here you have to move down, right here ul.word p tag, then here I will be writing font size 22 pixel, right here font weight 500. Save this, then you have to reload. So you can see we are getting it styled. Here you have to move down, then here I will be just now writing a tag which will be like ul span. So here I will be writing ul.word span tag, right here font size 12 pixel, right here color which should be 989898, then right here ul.word I tag, right here color which should be 999. Then I will be writing here font size 15 pixel, right here cursor pointer. Then I will be writing ul dot content, right here max height which should be 215 pixel. So here I will be writing, right here a tag which should be like overflow y which should be auto. Then right here ul dot content. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing dash webkit dash scroll bar like this. Then here I will be writing width 0 pixel. Here you have to move down, right here content li, right here dot detail, then write padding left, and here in padding left I will be writing 10 pixel, right here border radius which should be 4 pixel 0 0 4 pixel. Here you have to write border left 3 pixel solid. Here I will be writing 4df59 fb. Then you have to write here dot content lip tag. Then after writing this, here I will be now writing here font size, and after writing font size you have to write font weight which should be 500. Then write here content li. Then I'll be writing here span tag, write font size 15 pixel, and after writing this write here color which should be 70. Then you have to move down, right here content, and write here synonymous like this, right here list. Then write here display flags like this. Then you have to write here flags wrap, and here I'll be writing by giving space wrap. Then you have to write here content synonymous. Then I will be writing here span tag, right here cursor pointer. Then write here margin right which should be 5 pixel, right here text decoration which should be underline. Then you have to save this, and here you have to reload. So if I write anything, you can see it is not working because here we have to put some of the Next.js code again to work it, and when we write any just word here, so it should be working. So we have to do that thing also. So for doing that, here I will be just moving in this file. Then after moving in this file, here you have to write a tag which should be like fonts wrapper is equal to document dot query selector, right here dot wrapper like this. Here you have to write comma, then write here search input is equals to, then I'll be writing wrapper dot query selector. Then you have to write here input, then you have to write comma, and then write here volume like this, right here is equals to wrapper dot query selector. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing word, so here I'll be writing dot word I tag. Then again you have to write comma, then here I will be writing info text like this, right here is equals to wrapper dot query selector. Here I will be writing dot info text. Then you have to write comma, right here synonymous, so here I'll be writing synonymous like this is equals to, right here wrapper dot query selector. Then here I will be writing dot, and then here you have to write synonymous like this, so here I'll be writing synonymous. Then here you have to write dot list. Here you have to now just close, just you have to write comma again, right here remove icon is equals to, then here I will be writing wrapper dot query selector. Then you have to just write here search span. Now when you've written this, here you have to write let audio, then close this. Here you have to write function data, then I will be writing here result comma word like this. Then here you have to just give a space, move down, right here if result, so here I will be now just writing here if result, so here you have to write if result dot title. Then you have to move down, right here info text dot, then I'll be writing here inner HTML is equals to, here you have to write can't, then here I will be writing can't, and then right here find the meaning of. Then when you've written this, right here span, and when you've written these all things, just I will be writing this tag like this, right here this thing, and then I will be writing here word and write like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be closing the span tag like this thing. Now when you've closed these all things, here you have to just move forward after this tag. Then after writing this, you have to write this full stop, then write here please, and then write here try to search, then here I'll be writing for another word like this. Then you have to write full stop, close this tag after writing this. Then when you will be closing this, here you have to just do one thing, here I will be moving down, right here else, and after writing this else, you have to write here wrapper dot, right here class list, and here I will be writing class list dot add, and when you've written this, you have to write here active, a should be small like this active you have to write. Then write here let definitions like this, right here result 0, then you have to write here dot meanings, then when you've written this, here I will be writing 0, right here dot again, then right here definitions, which should be 0, right here comma, then I will be writing phonetics, so here I'll be writing phonetics is equals to, then write like this tag, and here I will be just writing result, then after writing result, here you have to write 0, right here dot meaning, then I will be writing this tag right here 0, then you have to just write meanings, then right here dot part of speech, like this thing, then when you've written this, just you have to give a space, right here slash, then write like this tag, then when you've written this, I will be writing here result, and after writing this result, you have to write 0 dot, then here you have to write phone, and then when you've written this phone tag, here you have to write phone phonetics, then you have to write here 0 like this, right here dot text. Now when you've written this, right here slash, then close this tag here, and when you've written this thing, just here you have to do one thing, like here I will be now moving at the back, and after moving here at the back, you can see we have just written all this stuff like this. Now when you've written this, here you can see we are getting all this thing like this, so here I will be now moving down after this tag, so till here I will be now saving this, so simply here I will be now just moving down, save this, reload. Now if you write any word like this, so here you can see it is just not giving me any answer here, because here we have just not written any other thing. So here I will be moving down, right here document dot query selector, then you have to just write here dot word p tag, then here I will be writing dot inner text like this is equals to, right here result 0 dot word, then you have to just close this, right here document dot query selector, then you have to write here dot word span tag, so here I will be writing, then right here inner, and then you have to write here inner text is equals to, right here result 0 dot word like this, then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, and here you have to write document dot, and then right here query selector, and here you have to write like this tag, right here meaning, then when you've written this, here I will be writing a span tag, then here I will be writing inner, and here I will be writing inner text is equals to, then you have to just write a tag like this thing. So here you can see we have just written all this stuff, so here I will be moving in this inner text which we have written, and here I will be writing phone, then I will be writing t text like this. Now when you've written all this stuff, here I will be moving after this tag, and then after moving here you have to just now write like this thing, and then when you've written this, here I will be just doing one thing, I will be now moving here at the back, and you can see we have just written this thing here also. Now when you've written this, here I will be just doing one thing, I will be now writing a tag here, so here you can see we have written phonetics like this, so here I will be just now writing here inner text which is written, and after writing this inner text, you have to just write here definitions, right here dot definitions like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be just now closing this tag like this thing, then you have to just move down, right here document dot query selector, then you have to just write here dot example, right here span, then you have to write dot inner text, here you have to write is equals to, then here I will be writing definitions dot example, close this tag, here you have to now just move at the back, then right here audio, and here I will be writing is equals to new audio like this, make this bracket, here you have to write result, and then right here square bracket 0, right here dot phone text, then here I will be writing 0 dot audio. Now here you have to close this tag, here you have to write if definitions like this, right here synonymous, then here I will be writing 0, right here is equals to undefined, then here I will be just now moving down, right here synonymous, so here I will be writing, then right here dot parent element, then here, right here dot style dot display, so here I will be writing, then right here is equals to none, then you have to just move down after this tag, then when you've written this, here I will be writing else, right here synonymous, then right here dot parent element, so here when you've written this, right here style dot display, then is equals to block, you have to write here, then right here synonymous again, then right here dot inner html, then here I will be writing is equals to like this, right here for, then right here let I is equals to 0, then right here I like this, write this 5 here, then right here I plus plus, then you have to just write this tag, right here let tag, then I will be writing is equals to span, then after writing this I will be writing on click is equals to search, and here I will be just now writing here search like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be making this tag, right here this tag, then I will be writing like this, and right here definitions like this, right here dot synonymous like this thing. Then when you've written this, I will be writing I tag here like this and closing this curly bracket from here. Now here you have to close this tag, close this bracket from here, then write like this thing. Now when you've written all this stuff, here I will be moving here at the back, then you have to just do one thing, here I will be writing this tag again, then right here definitions, then you have to write here dot synonymous like this, then right here this tag again like this, close this curly bracket here, right here comma, and then you can see this is the span tag here. So now we have to just close this by writing this tag. So here I will be moving at the starting here, then you have to just now write a tag here which should be like this. So you can see now we have written these all things, and when you've written this thing, just here you have to do one thing, you have to now just move forward after this tag, and after moving forward here you have to now just do one thing, here I will be now just writing a tag like this, right here tag and close this. So you can see here we have just done that. Now here you have to move down after this tag, and then after writing this, here I will be doing one thing, here I will be moving, and then here you have to write synonymous. So here I'll be writing is equals to, then when you've written this, here I'll be writing tag is equals to, then after writing this tag I'll be writing I is equals to 4, then write this question mark, here I'll be writing tag is equals to, then you have to write like this tag, and right here span on click, then right here is equals to, and you have to write here search. Now when you've written this, I'll be writing this tag, write only one colon, then here I'll be writing definitions. So simply here you have to write definitions, then you have to just write here synonymous like this. Now when you've written this, here you have to now just do one thing, here I will be now writing a tag which will be like I tag, or you can say 4, and when you've written this 4, I will be just now moving here, and then right here span like this. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be closing this tag here, and after closing this you have to just do one thing, here I will be now just, you can see we have written this thing, so here I will be writing I tag. Now after writing this I tag, here I will be just now closing this by writing this tag, then close this bracket from here, then I will be writing this tag, and then you have to do like this. So when you've written this thing, just here I will be moving and right here definitions, then right here dot synonymous, then here I will be writing like this tag, right here 4 here, then you have to close this by writing this tag, and when you just close this tag, here you have to now erase this thing, then here I will be just erasing this thing also, here you have to write this tag and write here tag again. Now you have to close this, and after closing here I will be moving at the top, then from here I will be erasing this and writing it here. So you can see we have just written these all things. Now when you've written this, I will be moving down after this tag, and after moving down you have to just now write a tag which will be like synonymous, then right here dot insert adjacent element, or you can say adjacent like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing before and, then I will be writing comma tag, here you have to close, and then you have to just move down after this, right here function search, right here word, then you have to write here fetch API, and right here word, then right here search. So here I'll be writing search input dot value is equals to word, then you have to just write here function, and after writing this, here I'll be writing fetch API, right here word, then you have to just move down, and after moving down, here I will be just now writing a tag which will be like wrapper dot class list. So here I will be writing this, then right here remove, and right here active like this, then you have to just close this, right here info text dot style color, then right here is equals to, and then right here black color code, right here info tags, then right here inner, and write like this. Now when you've written this, right here searching, so here I will be writing searching the meaning, then I'll be writing of, right here span tag, then I will be writing this tag here. I will be now just writing here word like this. Now when you've written this, I will be writing here span tag, then you have to close this, then right here let, and right here URL is equals to, then right here https slash, right here API dot dictionary. So here I will be writing dictionary like this, right here API dot dev slash API, then right here v2, and right here entries like this. Now when you've written this, here I'll be writing slash entries, then right here slash en, then when you've written this, I will be writing slash, write this hashtag, and right here word, then you have to close this, move down, right here fetch, then you have to write here URL, then after writing this, I'll be writing then response, here you have to just write is equals to, right here response like this. Now right here JSON, and write like this tag, here you have to write dot then, so here I'll be writing dot then you have to just write result is equals to, then here I'll be writing data result, and here I will be writing result comma word like this. Now when you've written these all things, here I will be now just writing here result comma word, right here catch, then write this tag here, right here is equals to like this, and you have to just move down after this tag. Then after moving down, here you have to just now write a tag. So here I will be writing info tags dot inner, then I will be writing this tag right here, this tag, and right here can't find the meaning, then I'll be writing can't find the meaning of, and when you've written this, here I'll be writing span, and here you have to just write here a tag which should be word, so here I will be writing here. Then when you've just done with this, here you have to close this span tag like this thing, and you can see we have just done that. Now when you've written this, here I will be just now moving forward after this tag, and after moving forward you have to full stop this, right here please, so here I'll be writing please, and then right here try to search, then I'll be writing for another word like this, close this tag here, then you have to full stop this thing, and when you've written this, here I will be just now moving at the back, you can see we have just written this thing, then here after moving down, you can see we have just written all this stuff, so here you have to now just move forward, and you can see we have just written, so here I will be giving space, so here I will be now just moving here, then you have to just now give a space from here like this, then give a space here. Now when you've written these all things, here I will be just moving here at the front, and you can see we are getting all this stuff, so here I will be making this tag, and now you can see we are getting these all things here styled. Now when you are getting this, here I will be just now moving down after this tag, and after moving down you have to just now do one thing, like here I will be just doing here closing this tag, then right here control Z, then when you've written this, I will be now moving here, erase this, then move here, close this, then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving down after this, right here search input, then when you've written this thing, just here you have to move at the forward, then after moving forward, here you have to now just do one thing, here I will be closing it as well like this. So here you can see we have just written these all things. Now after writing this, here I will be just moving at the back here again, so here you have to just do like this. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be now moving at the front, here if I just move at the front, you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Now here I have written search input dot add event listener, so here I will be writing this, then right here key up like this thing, then right here comma e tag, right is equals to like this, right here let word is equals to, right here e dot target dot value, then right here replace, and right here slash s, right here s like this, right plus, then you have to write here slash g, then you have to write comma, and then write like this, here you have to close, right here if, and then after moving down, here I'll be writing if, and right here e dot key, then right here is equals to, and write enter. Now you have to just write here and word, then you have to just write here fetch API, then right here word, here you have to move down after this tag, then I will be just moving down right here, volume dot add event listener. So here I will be writing right here click. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing click, and then right here comma, and then write like this, right is equals to, then move down, and here I will be writing volume dot style dot color is equals to, then here I will be just making this tag right here 4D59FB, then close this, right here audio dot play, then here I will be just writing set timeout like this. Then when you've written this, I will be just now writing like this tag right here like this, and move down, right here volume dot style dot color is equals to, then right here 0 like this, or you can say 999. Then when you've written this, here I will be just giving comma 800, then you have to just close this tag here as well. Then you have to just move down, right here remove icon, right here dot add event listener, then here you have to write click, then right here comma, then write is equals to this value, then right here search input, and right here dot value is equals to like this. Here you have to write search input, right here dot focus, then you have to just write here wrapper dot class list, then right here remove, then I will be writing active. Here you have to move down, right here info text dot style dot color is equals to, right here hashtag 9a. So here I will be making this right here 9a, close this, right here info text dot, then again I'll be writing this tag is equals to, right here type any existing word and press enter to get meaning like this. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be now moving here, and then right here example, right here comma, then right here synonymous like this, right here etc. Then when you've written this, here I will be closing this, then here you have to close. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be now doing one thing, I'll be moving at the top, saving this thing from here, then you have to just move at the top again. So here we are getting some mistake down here. If I just show you, you can see here we are just getting some error. So when you have just written all these things, so here I will be doing one thing, here I will be moving at the front. So you can see here I have written dot result is equals to data result word, then here we have to close this tag also. So here we have closed. Now here he is not getting any error. Save this. Then when you just save, here you have to simply reload. Now if you write any word, like if I write computer, enter, so you can see now it has searched the meaning of computer. Now if you write here laptop, so it will be searching the meaning of laptop, and all the things will be working here. Like now if I just show you this sound, computer, you can see it is working here. So it is saying that computer. Now if you write any other word like new, so you will be getting the new name of new. So like this, here you can see you can build your amazing dictionary app. So this was our amazing dictionary app which we have built using Next.js 13, and we have used some of the server side languages to build this amazing Next.js 13 dictionary app. I hope you understand and enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, understand this, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel, and also see my previous videos which I've done yet, because that will also giving you help moving forward. So just I'll be meet you next project with more amazing things. So for today, goodbye.